Did you know that there are many ways in which you can manipulate paper? Things like butterflies, flowers, and even swans are just a few examples of the many ways you can manipulate paper. This art form is known as origami. Origami is a centuries-old Japanese art technique of folding paper, and it only requires one singular square piece of paper. No cutting, no gluing, and no marking is involved. The word origami itself stems from two Japanese words, ori, meaning folding, and gami, meaning paper. It's not so subtle, is it? However, the special thing about origami is not only the fact that it only requires one tool, which is paper, but it's the fact that many of us have done origami ourselves, yet we are unaware. Things like paper planes and fortune tellers are just a few examples of the origami we have done unbeknownstly. Today, we will be focusing on the effective utilization of origami through the use of making a tulip. The tulip, unlike the paper planes or fortune tellers, is a bit more complex, as it will allow you to showcase how much patience you have and how much technique you have into making origami. However, origami, even though it is a 2,000-year-old Japanese technique, it is still used to this very day. Artists like Akira Yoshiwa, known as the Grand Master of Origami, or Mikel de Unamuno, are all artists predominantly known for their origami skills. Today, you will try to be one of those artists by showcasing your origami technique through making a tulip. Let's get started. Grab a piece of paper that measures 16 centimeters to 16 centimeters. Now, once you have your paper, fold your paper in half. All sides should touch the corners. They should be even. Unravel it and fold it in half once again. Your paper should now look like this. Turn your paper over and take the bottom right corner and fold it towards the top left corner. It should form a triangle. Then unravel it and do so with the bottom left corner to the top right corner. Once you are done folding your paper, turn the square towards you and take the two middle pieces which you have folded and push it down towards the middle piece at the bottom. Then push the top piece down and you'll find that it makes a triangle. Now that you have your triangle, take the right corner and fold it to the top point of your triangle, like so. Do so on the other side. Your paper should look like this. Do the exact same folding technique on the other side of your triangle. Now your triangle looks like this. Fold it in its aligned position in this motion. Then fold your right corner into the middle of your paper, like so, and do it on the other side. At the end of it, you'll have something like this. Tuck in these two pieces into each other, like so. There we go. And do it on the other side. Now that you have something like this, flatten this bottom piece of your tulip. If you've come this far, you have this for your tulip now, and peel away each and every single side so it looks like this. If you have followed my instruction, your tulip should look like this. As you can see, although origami only utilizes one tool, it takes a lot of technique, patience, and comprehension skills to make origami sculptures. Before the video ends, ask yourself, what part did you find difficult? Why did you find this part in particular difficult, and how will you improve further? I'd like to see your questions and answers below at the comments. Thank you for watching.